Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to modify or remove any settings menu list in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the settings. So now you can see this kind of settings menu list, tons of lists here. So in order to modify or remove any settings menu list, what you need to do is firstly just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock, and firstly so you'll see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as FindLock, and on the first so you'll see the application, just click on it. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just open or run the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever application you have installed on your respective Samsung smartphone. Now at the right bottom you will see here live up, just click on it, just scroll down below. Now you will see here register, so you need to download it. So finally the download and installation has been completed. Now you can see here the application register, just click on it, just click on skip. Now here you can see the first option, customize your settings home, just click on it, just turn on this option. Now you'll see here menu order and group settings, just click on it. Now you'll see all the menu list available by default on your settings. So if you want to remove some options, then you can just untick those options which you don't need, and also you can just drag the respective options wherever you want to set here depending upon your needs. And once you're done, click on save and just minimize it. Now let us reopen the settings application. Now you'll see here the settings application menu list has changed like the one I have set. So let me show you. So you can see here, so if you want to restore it back, just click on these three dot icons and click on this reset and click on OK. Now it will be restored back to the default settings menu list. Now let us check back if it has been restored or not. So now you can see it has restored all the settings menu list to the default. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily modify or remove any settings menu list in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.